So you want to grow your YouTube channel but you're just starting out? Let's make it simple. Here are the strategies I wish I knew sooner. First, focus on your video titles and thumbnails. You want people to stop scrolling and click, so make them curious but keep it honest. Think about what your audience is searching for and use those words in your titles. Don't forget about your description and tags too. They help YouTube know what your video is about. Next, consistency is key. Try to upload on a schedule even if it's just once a week. That way your viewers know when to expect new content from you. Now let's talk engagement. Respond to comments, ask questions in your videos, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts. The more you interact, the more YouTube sees your channel as active and valuable. Here's a tip I love. Check your analytics. See which videos are performing best and make more like those. YouTube tells you what's working, don't ignore it. And finally, don't stress about going viral right away. Focus on building a community. Celebrate your first 10 subscribers, then your first 100. Those early viewers can become your biggest fans. Remember, every big channel started with 0 subscribers. Be patient, keep learning, and have fun. That's how you turn a channel into a community. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Good luck on your YouTube journey.